Ever feel like you're constantly chasing the next paycheck? Or maybe you're wondering how your friends seem to afford those vacations. Or that new car. The truth is, it's not about luck. It's about habits. The right money habits can transform your financial life. And the best part, anyone can learn them. Today we're ditching the old school financial advice that doesn't work for our generation. We're going deep into the real money habits that are turning ordinary millennials into financially savvy powerhouses. Habit 1, mindset makeover. The first and most important habit is all about your mindset. Ever catch yourself thinking, I'll never be able to buy a house? Or investing is only for rich people? That's a scarcity mindset, and it's holding you back. Successful millennials cultivate an abundance mindset. They believe opportunities exist and they're proactive about finding them. They see money as a tool, not a master. This shift in thinking is the foundation for all the other habits. Habit 2, budget with a purpose. Budgeting might sound boring, but it's your financial superpower. Think of it as your personalized spending plan. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. There are tons of budgeting methods out there. The 50-30-20 rule. Zero-based budgeting, whatever works for you. The key is to track your income and expenses, set realistic goals, and find ways to cut back on unnecessary spending. Habit 3, debt demolition squad. High-interest debt is like a financial anchor weighing you down. The goal? Attack those credit cards and high-interest loans with a vengeance. Two popular methods are the debt snowball, paying off the smallest debts first for momentum, and the debt avalanche, tackling the highest interest debts first. Pick your weapon and get to work. Every dollar you put towards debt is a step closer to freedom. Habit 4, invest for the future. Now for the fun part, investing. It's how you make your money work for you. Investing is the key to unlocking wealth and financial freedom. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or your education, the key is to start early and stay committed for the long haul. Don't worry, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn the basics. Remember, even small amounts invested consistently can grow over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Habit 5, side hustle mania. Why settle for one income stream when you can have multiple? The side hustle is a millennial's best friend. It's not just about the extra cash, it's about diversifying your skills and income sources. Who knows? Your side hustle might even turn into your main gig. Habit 6, smart spending, rich life. In a world that glorifies excess and consumerism, it's easy to succumb to lifestyle inflation and overspend. However, true financial freedom comes from living below your means and prioritizing your values over material possessions. But living below your means doesn't mean living a boring life. It means making intentional choices about where your money goes. It's about finding ways to save without sacrificing the things you truly value. Remember, experiences often create more lasting happiness than material possessions. Habit 7, cultivate a savings mindset. Saving isn't just about setting aside spare change. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and financial discipline. By pay yourself first concept means by prioritizing savings and investments. You're laying the foundation for long-term financial security. Whether it's through insurance, an emergency fund, or diversified investments. Be proactive in protecting yourself and your loved ones from financial hardships. Habit 8. Never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly changing. So make it a habit to keep learning. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth-building principles. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow financial experts online, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart money moves. So there you have it, 8 powerful habits for responsible millennials that can transform your financial future. Now it's your turn. Which habit resonates with you the most? Start small, be consistent, and watch your financial confidence grow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.